see how to set the length. We press L, it will be flash. Here arrow at 1 means around 1 meter machine will stop working. Let's see. Then we press start. Machine running. We can adjust the speed of the machine. After 1 meter, machine will stop. Okay, after 1 meter, it will stop. So, and let's see, press length again. Here is 1. If we here to 25 meter, let's we see. If we set 25 meter, let's see how we set it. Here 5. And this button is for changing position. 2. Okay, then keep it. Wait for 0, 0. Means finish setting. Then 25 meters length. If we press here length and here 0 and 0 and change this one to 0, means there is no length setting, so machine will keep running. Only we press the stop button.